Hi parents, my name's Rachel and I'm one of the Lollipops teachers, and today I'm going to show you how to use the starter kits that we've sent you. So first of all, the lessons start out with a hello song, so I will sing it for you and then you can maybe practice it with your kids, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. We sing hello, 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 hello. We sing hello, hello. We sing hello. We sing hello to everyone, to everyone, to everyone. We sing hello to everyone. We sing hello. And then what's really fun is to incorporate some movement and dancing. So you might want to jump hello, then you can jump around the room. You might want to swim hello or fly hello. And it's just really nice way to get the kids moving before they sit down for a story. And yeah, you also will have received a weather wheel, which has a few different weather forecasts on it. So we've got the windy, cloudy, rainy, snowy, stormy, and sunny. And when we use the weather wheel, we tend to give the children 2 options to choose from. So we might ask them, like, is it windy or sunny today? So that it encourages them to repeat what you've said. So it's like, is today cloudy or stormy? And then they can answer. A fun way to incorporate the English lessons at home is to get your child to be the teacher and get them to ask you questions and you could pretend to be the student. And another one that we also have the season wheel. And we tend to use these most classes, alternating through different weeks, so it's not too repetitive. And again, you might want to spin the wheel around, go, we've got 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, winter. And then again, you can ask the question with the 2 options. Is it winter or summer? And then it allows the child to answer by repeating one of the vocabulary words. So we also have a weather song. So if you like, I can give you an example of that now. 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is there cloud or is there sun? Or there's another melody that you can use. What's the weather? What's the weather in the garden? In the garden. Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is there cloud or is there sun? So then you can choose whichever one you like the best. Cool, and finally, in the starter pack, you will have also received a couple of feeling cards. So we have an example of sad. Are you feeling sad today? Ooh. And acting it out is kind of funny and entertaining, and the kids then like to act it out as well. Are you feeling angry today? Or are you feeling happy? And after doing the feelings cards, it's really fun to sing happy and you know it. And I like to talk about the different feelings. So it's, if you're sad and you know it, have a cry, ooh. Or if you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. Or if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And then get the child to sing along with you. Or they're the teacher and you sing along with them. So have fun. I hope that you enjoy our starter kit. Bye!